Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C51 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to tap on sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down a little bit to find this phone ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for the first and second SIM card separately, which is quite cool. Let me show you how to do it using the first SIM card, so let's tap on it. And here we will have this pop-out window with the pre-installed ringtones. At the bottom we've got the option Add Ringtone, so we can set the ringtone which we, for example, downloaded from the internet. And at the top, on the other hand, we've got the None option, which means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So, but let me pick something from those options, so the pre-installed ones, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And you will be able to check that. You can of course pick the option you like the most, and after deciding that you want to set this one, for example, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will immediately be notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.